Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and I'm speaking to you from New Jersey, United States. Now today we're going to be unboxing another Apple product that we picked up. Now I picked this up again from Best Buy, the best that I feel like is in the United States. We will be trying some other places. We are going to try and pick up a Steam Deck and some other places as well, so we'll see how those go. But I have picked up myself a open box Mac Mini. Now, the one thing that's interesting about this Mac Mini, it is an open box. We picked this up for $500, so 500 US dollars, and you can see from the box it is quite damaged. It is quite rough rided on, and in terms of like the spec, we've got it right here. It is a Mac Mini with the Apple M4 chip. It has 16 gigs of RAM and has 512 gigs of storage. So the plan is that we're going to unbox this straight away and then we're going to plug it in and see if it works. Now I did pick up a keyboard and mouse as well. Unnecessarily spending $100 on those, but it's only temporary. We only just want to make sure the device works. Now I will be taking this device back to the United Kingdom, as this will become my main work device, and this is the reason why I picked it up. The YouTube channel has grown, and luckily enough it's allowed me to be able to purchase stuff and make this also some part of my daily job. So let's get straight to unboxing it. Now the first thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take this slightly off camera because it's going to hit the camera. No, it's not. It's made it absolutely fine. And we see the lovely Mac Mini right here. Now, straight off the bat, I can see that there is some markages going on. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a circular. It's like something was sitting on top of it. I'm going to put this to the side for the time being. And I'm just going around the device, just making sure, is there any type of damage anywhere at all? And I don't notice any sort of damage so far. I see scuffs, but I don't see any damage, any dents, anything like that. And this is the bottom of the Mac Mini, as you can see. Fingerprint magnet, of course. But I, again, don't see any damage anywhere. Now, the ports at the back, we've got 3 Thunderbolt ports. We've got HDMI, we've got Ethernet, and we've got our pin for the power adapter pin. Now, this is a US model. So the US model is slightly different. As you can see right in here, the plug is the 2-winded plug that we're going to have to use. So let me plug everything up and then let's try booting this device up and see how we do. So we've got our dodgy setup here right on the TV, and let's just start the Mac Mini if I can find the button. There you go, so we started the Mac Mini. We've had the chime, we've got the keyboard connected, we've got the mouse connected, and now we just wait. What do we see on the TV? Keyboard and mouse connected. What are we going to see? Are we going to see any sort of light? Are we going to see anything? I can hear the Mac Mini. Well, why can I not see anything on the TV? I can see on the TV. We can see the mouse is there. There you go. Hola. Hola. Okay, this seems to be a Spanish one. Interesting. Okay, let me set this up. And then when it's on...
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Brilliant. All right. What we're going to do, I'm going to set this up, and then we come back and see about this device, what it is. Let's see. So we have been able to log in to the machine. Now the first thing I want to do is look at this Mac. So it is 16 gigs of RAM. It's running 26.2. Let's have a look at more information. What do we see? 16 gigs of RAM. It's connected to a big TV, which we ignore for the timing, and it's a 512 gig model. So the information seems to be matching everything that we're looking for. Now let's just have a look if we can find anything more about this machine. So if we go into general, and I believe I don't think about will tell us anything when this device was purchased or anything like that. No, it won't. I need to figure out if there is any Apple Care on this machine or not. I can find this out online, so I'll do my due diligence checks. But guys, everything works. There's nothing slowing down. There's no issues anywhere. It's not had like any repairs or anything. Everything works brilliant. So let me do a check on the serial number and then I will come back. Interesting. So when I type the serial number in, it says purchase date unavailable. So I believe I'll probably need to upload evidence to show that I have purchased this on a separate date, and then be able to get Apple to update and see if I'm eligible to buy any Apple Care or anything like that. But this is what I see. But overall, everything seems to be working absolutely fine. Seems to be no problems. The Mac Mini, what was it, around $600 we bought this for. Bargain, $500-$600. Absolutely worth the price. Now I can finally get rid of these $100 keyboard and mouse I bought for no reason, just to be able to do this video. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It obviously helps the channel out quite a lot. And there is plenty more Apple products. We've got a MacBook coming along the way. We've got some Apple Watches coming along the way from Best Buy. So let's see and continue this trend of unboxings.